Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic of case study in fuzzy-based washing machine. Before going to the detail of this fuzzy-based washing machine, why we are using in the fuzzy-based washing machine. So in traditional washing machines, we have usually every each and steps have in manually, but in the fuzzy-based washing machine, the machine will be run automatically. All the cycles will be run in the auto mechanism. So we are choosing the fuzzy-based washing machine. So in this washing machine introduced by the Japanese company, and this is most familiar in world. So what are the applications in the fuzzy-based washing machine is the cycles are optimized and the water is saved. The less water amount will be used in this type of washing machines, and the machine parts wear and tear will be reduced. So many advantages in this type of fuzzy based washing machine. Oh, let me see what is fuzzy based washing machine. So a Japanese company introduced a fuzzy controller washing machine. This machine was evaluated using technical performance indices such as electricity consumption, then detergent consumption, so thermal efficiency and cleanliness. So these are all the advantages of the machine based washing machine. So washing machine have revolutionized the way we clean our clothes. But have you ever heard of physiologic washing machines? In this presentation, we will explore the benefits and applications of fuzzy logic in washing machines. So the problem, what is the problem we can identify in the traditional or olden washing machines? So frustration while doing laundry. So humans are tired of subpar washing machines, tired of poor quality wash cycles, and the inconvenience of being stuck near the machine while it runs. So in between the cycles, the washing machine will be stuck in classical or olden washing machine types. So these are all the frustration of the humans. So complicated wash cycles. In olden machines, you ever have trouble selecting the right wash cycle for your laundry? Do you feel overwhelmed by the complexity of options on most washing machines today? So these are all the problems identified in the olden washing machine types. So what is the new in fuzzy logic washing machine? So fuzzy logic is a mathematical tool used for dealing with uncertainty. In washing machines, it can help optimize the wash cycles for efficiency and effectiveness and reduced wear and tear. These are all the major advantages of using the fuzzy logic washing machine. Then how it is different from classical or olden logic in washing machines. Fuzzy logic allows for degrees of truth, unlike classical logic, which deals only with binary true or false values. So this means that the input data can be more nuanced, leading to more accurate predictions in washing machines applications. This is the technical way we can use in the busy based washing machines. So next one is how does it works? The physiologic washing machine, how it will be works. So physiologic works on the principle of partial membership in a set. It assigns degree values between 0 and 1 for each element, leading to more precise results and making it perfect for applications where data is not clear. So this is the introduction of PC-based washing machine. Then applications. So easy to use Physiologic washing machines are easy to control and easy come with preset wash cycles, which takes the guesswork out of laundry and make doing laundry much easier. Another one is uses less water and energy consumption. So this is very important. And optimized wash cycles. Physiologic washing machines optimize wash cycles for both efficiency and effectiveness. So leading to clothes that come out looking as good as new. Then another one application is reduces wear and tear. Physiologic washing machine help reduce wear and tear on the machine over time. Instead of having a traditional wash cycle that may damage clothes, it is able to adjust the cycle to protect your clothes integrity. So this is the main importance. So these are all the applications we are using in the physiologic washing machines. So what are the advantages? So optimized resources. Physiology helps to optimize key resources that make washing machines work properly, which helps lower related cost over time. So easy operations, this is one of the advantage. So physiologic washing machines are designed for ease of use. So user friendly in these machines, which reduces stress and strain related to doing the laundry work. The second one, optimized resources, and third one, improved cleaning. So physiologic helps washing machines more effectively and efficiently remove stubborn stains from clothes, which can lead to more positive outcomes over time. So these are all the advantages of the physiologic washing machine. So finally, the case study getting the results of improved resources efficiency, then higher energy efficiency, increased cleanliness. These 3 points are the results of this case study where using the physiologic washing machines. In conclusion and future improvements, strong future outlook. So the physiologic possess a very promising technology for optimizing the washing machine's performance, efficiency, and efficacy. There is much potential for a bright future with fuzzy controlled washing machines. So innovating faster and smarter with further research and development and innovation, this technology is expected to develop even better, creating even more effective and effectiveness of the machines for the future. Thank you.